Ready to ditch the bulky wallet and tap into a world of effortless transactions? First, ensure your device is compatible with Apple Pay and that you're signed into your Apple ID. This is crucial for secure setup. Next, locate and open the Wallet app on your iPhone. It's usually found on your home screen or in the Utilities folder. If this is your first time using Apple Pay, the wallet will likely be empty. Tap the Add button, usually represented by a plus sign, to begin adding your cards. Select debit or credit card. The system will then prompt you to either use your camera to scan your card or manually enter the card details. Using the camera is the quickest method. Simply position your card within the frame, and the app will automatically capture the necessary information. If you prefer to enter your card details manually, input your card number, expiration date, and security code. After entering your card information, you'll need to agree to the terms and conditions of your card issuer. Your bank will then verify your card information. This might involve a text message or phone call verification. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. Once verified, your card is now active in Apple Pay. You're ready to make secure and convenient purchases. To use Apple Pay in stores, simply hold your iPhone near the contactless payment terminal with your finger on the Touch ID or Face ID sensor. Face ID or Touch ID will authenticate the transaction, and you'll see a check mark on the screen to confirm that the payment was successful. Now you are set to enjoy secure and convenient payments with Apple Pay. Happy shopping!